on various learning methodologies was conducted by Dr. Sunita Gandhi. Watch on.
Something called a checklist for driving change in education. Could you kindly look for it? It's the very first thing in your folders, the 4-inch binders. Do you know we could have bought you the 1-inch binders? Any clue why we got you a 4-inch binder and gave you so little in it? You keep adding to it. This is your portfolio, okay? Wonderful. Please keep adding to it. You know, like Dr. Shetty's paper, anything interesting you find, just keep it as your multi-year portfolio, and you've got a long, a lot of space left in there to fill.
I feel education in my heart. I'm very passionate about it, and that's why and how I'm going to speak about it. मेरा रिच हार्वेस्ट किंडरगार्टन डोगरा एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट एक जम्मू का माना हुआ ट्रस्ट है, उसका पार्ट है.
And I think you all must agree with this thing that in most of the schools, students don't love the subject SST, particularly because they feel it's boring, it's too mugging up, rule learning, all things is going on. So we tried a new method, and we tried in a practical way. What we did, we gave first pre-reading worksheet to the students to prepare.
We are also, creating additional flexible timetables when teachers are absent, then we send a teacher who's free to, teach. So, the flexible timetable is also possible.
Are you being forced into flexible timetables, or is it something because
of it's sometimes when, no, it's not.
Because of a need that you feel. I mean, I really want to make the distinction, because actually people have to substitute regardless.
Yeah.
But we're talking about when you, by design, say, okay, there's a particular student goal that's not being met, let's flex the timetable and make that goal met.
No, what we do is, in case if the teacher is absent, so either physical education teacher who's on the field most of the time can take up the students and children will enjoy playing, or we can send the children to the library.